Hi guys, my name is Abba and welcome back to my Amazing Kitchen. And if you are new here, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button right now and become part of the amazing family today. Also remember to turn on your notifications so you would be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now today I have a very interesting recipe for you. We are cooking some coconut fried rice. This fried rice is fully loaded, so come along and let's get right into it. As always, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box below with the correct measurement, but I would like to highlight a few, starting with these beautiful sausages we are going to use. I'm using fashong. It's a Surinamese sausage and it complements this dish very well. This is the brand that I use, but any fashong will do, and if you can't find it, just use any sausage of your choice. We also need some coconut milk, and I'm using the Fairtrade original brand. This is not sponsored, but I just like to support a good cause. Alright, so first things first, you want to season your shrimps with a little bit of black pepper and some salt. When it comes to seafood, you want to keep your seasoning very minimum. So mix that together until the prawns are well coated and set it aside. Next, I move on to my sausages and I'm going to dice my sausages, but you can cut them in any shape or form that you prefer. Try to get the fashong or use a Chinese sausage if you can't find it, because this makes a very big difference in this meal. You can use any other sausage, but the taste is just not going to be the same. This sausage has some sweetness to it that complements the coconut rice so well. Next, you want to finely chop your red chilies and set it aside. I'm using 3 red chilies, but you can use any amount of chilies you prefer according to your heat tolerance. Set your chilies aside as well, and let's move on with our rice. So over here I have some jasmine rice which I have nicely washed, and I'm going to add that to my pot and season with some garlic powder, onion powder and a little bit of salt, and add my coconut milk. I'm using 5 cups of rice, so I will use 2.5 cups of coconut milk and add 2.5 cups of water later on. I'll give this a good mix until the garlic and the onion powder is well mixed with the rice. Now add your 2.5 cups of water, taste and adjust your seasoning, and bring this to a boil. Make sure to add just enough water so your fried rice doesn't become mushy. So whilst our rice is cooking away, I'm going to heat up some coconut oil and cook my prawns. The coconut oil is just to intensify the coconut flavor in this dish, but you can use any other oil if you prefer. Cook your prawns for about a minute on each side, take them out of the oil and set it aside for later. You don't want to overcook your prawns because nobody enjoys eating rubbery prawns. Now set your prawns aside and continue with the cooking of your sausages. I have added about a tablespoon of some more coconut oil, and to it I've added my sausages, and you want to give the sausages some time because you want some color on there. It took me about 6 to 7 minutes to get it beautifully browned like this. So once it's caramelized like this, you want to scoop it out and set it aside for later. In the meantime, I go back to check on my rice and it is beautifully cooked. I'm going to fluff it. And the aromas in my kitchen right now, oh boy, it smells so tropical because of the coconut. So I'm going to fluff my rice and transfer it onto a tray and allow it to cool down completely before we start with the making of the fried rice. So I'm going to add some more coconut oil to my wok, and as you can see, I didn't even bother to clean it because all the juices and the caramelization from the sausages is still in there and I want to keep it in there. So I add my chopped onions and I'm going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once our onions are beautifully fried, I'm going to add my ginger and garlic blend. And for me, every good fried rice needs some aromatic base, and for me, garlic and ginger is a must in my fried rice recipe. And as soon as you add your blended mixture, it is going to deglaze your pan, and all the pieces and bits from the sausages is going to be released, and that is what is making our mixture look brownish. Next, I add my chopped chilies. Like I said, you can use any amount of chili that you prefer. Stir fry the chilies for about a minute and then add your chopped carrots and cabbage and continue stir frying it. This fried rice is fully loaded with lots of vegetables and protein, so you want to get those veggies in there. Add your frozen peas and some sweet corn and stir fry this for about a minute also, and then add your cooled rice. You want to make sure that your rice is slightly cooled, if not completely, to avoid your fried rice becoming very soft. The drier your rice, the better it is going to toast and give you that beautiful smoky fried rice flavor you are looking for. So as soon as you add your rice, you want to increase your heat to about a medium high and stir fry this and toast your rice very beautifully. Now drizzle with some soy sauce and mix that in, and you need just a splash because we want the coconut to remain the star in this fried rice. And finally, we are going to reintroduce our prawns and our sausages and give it a very good mix until it is well incorporated, because every scoop you take, you want to have some of the sausages, some of the prawns, and this is how you are going to enjoy your fried rice. Yes, this is a home-cooked meal, so you want to make it as rich as possible. This is not the Chinese takeout where you order shrimp fried rice and there are only 2 shrimps in there. So on this note, I hope you really try this simple and yet so delicious recipe. This fried rice is not like any other fried rice. You need to try it to know what I'm talking about. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe and become part of the amazing family. And if you have already done that, I want to say a very big thank you to you. I really appreciate your love and support. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, cook this meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.